Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I want to tell you about divide the turn the pins, but protocols with refined and fee called tribe. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's too early to know if the buy is dead, but platforms that sell refine with liquidity providers and token holders will be the ones that survive the bear market, and at the moment liquidity is hard to come by, but crypto traders and protocols still need inflow and revenue to remain functional. As the crypto winter draws on, Japanese crypto investors and have realized that one of the reliable sources of passive income that still exist can be found on protocols that generate revenue and share some of it with their respective communities. Platforms that earn a real yield through usage fees are the impulse winner in the bear market. That means for factuals and options as they are profitable. Bear or bull, that's why GMX is hot. Let's take a look at some of the protocols that continue to drive in the currents and some of the protocol that continues down market. Data from token terminal source refined positive. Platforms are primarily the now fungible token and FT marketplace like Luxor and OpenSea. Aside from a few select protocols, including MetaMask, decentralized games, Axie Infinity, and Ethereum name service, the majority of the remaining protocols with the highest refinement are decentralized finance platform, showing that while DeFi is down, it's not out of the game. DeFi protocols and decentralized applications that offer fee sharing to token holders and liquidity providers are also refined positive. As the bear market continues to better prices and eliminate unprofitable and poorly managed platforms, protocol that offer token holders passive income streams have a higher chance of enduring until the next bull and market begins. A good example of how fee sharing can help boost a token and DeFi protocol was recently seen with Synthetics, which made waves when it partnered with Curve Finance to create Curve Falls for several of its science assets. Since the cross-kind collaboration was established, the protocol revenue for Synthetic has seen a tremendous increase that coincided with a rise in the price of S. From the increase in revenue did not go unnoticed by crypto Twitter, which was quick to point out the repeat turnaround for the platform. How it all plays out for Synthetic in the long run is a nice guess for now. The platform is demonstrating is announced how it all applies that generating revenue and sharing some of that revenue with token holders is one way to retain market share during a market downturn. So maybe just this for today, and before I close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.